Hey guys, we're back with the third knife review, and today we're gonna review a MAC chef's knife. This is 7¼ inch chef's knife, and this is a hidden treasure of knives. Many people are familiar with Shun, Ustav, or Global hand kills, but then not so many people know this brand, MAC. This is Japanese made, and these are very acute. If you look at the angle, they're very sharp and they're quite durable. And chefs like Charlie Trotter, Gordon Ramsay, and Thomas Keller from Per Se and French Laundry use this knife, and Charlie Trotter is the one who actually supports this knife. And if you watch Gordon Ramsay's cooking videos from some time ago, like 7 or 8 years ago, you might see one of these being used by the famous celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay. They cost around $72 on Amazon, and you might find them cheaper in some stores and more expensive in some other stores, but they cost around $70. And if you look at the balance, most of the knives are balanced between the handle and the blade, the bolster between here. But then, since this is not 8-inch chef's knife, the balancing point has to go a little bit further back at here. Yeah. So it's not gonna balance in the center. Now, see how it's trying to slip off from my hand? But if you put your finger on the first dot here, it will balance on your hand like this. And let's see how well it cuts. Let's go. So guys, thank you for watching our video, and that was our review for MAC chef's knife 7-inch, and I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.